Hello everyone, myself Pavni. I'm working as Assistant Professor in CSE AML department at MLR Institute of Technology. Today I would like to give a session on lexical resources, FrameNet concept. In previous video we discussed about WordNet. This is one of the large database. The FrameNet also one of the large database. Let's see the overview. Coming to FrameNet. In this session, we discussed about explanation about some FrameNet and FrameNet applications, and let's see the real-time example. So, coming to the FrameNet, let's how to define the FrameNet, right? Here, first of all, what is a lexical resource? Lexical resource is a collection of words and phrases along with the associated information. See, here words are some example, run, some play, like this, right? Some phrases are some kick the bucket, like this. This is a phrases, right? So, along with the associated information, that means the words and phrases contains the multiple information. This type of information is some parts of speech, some sense definitions, some semantic rules. Here, the parts of speech contain the sentence contains some noun phrase or verb and some determiners, like this. These all comes under parts of speech. Let's see the sense. What is the meaning of here sense definition? Let's see the kick the bucket, right? Let's take the example. Kick the bucket. Sometimes kick the bucket means let's die or some bucket. Next, see the semantic roles. Here, let's take the example. The boy throw the ball to the dog in the park. Let's hear the boy or the agent. Here, what is the theme? The ball is the theme. This is some semantic roles. The sentence contains different type of roles. So, boy is the agent is the one role, and next the theme is the another role. The dog and park is the another roles. Let's see second point. Come to the second point. It is a definition of the FrameNet. FrameNet is a logical, that means large lexical database. It contains some semantics. That means different type of some semantic roles. It studies how words evoke mental structures called as a frame. That means the semantics frame the structure. That is called as a frame. This is the definition of FrameNet. That means if FrameNet represents a specific situation and it participates involved in known as a frame element. That means the frames contains different types of situations. The type of situation is called as a frame element. Let's see. The goal is used to analyze the sentences by understanding the semantic role of words. The main aim of the FrameNet is to understand the semantic roles and apply the frames to the words. Let's see. Each frame contains the target word and frame elements. Here, what is the target word here? The target word contains the POS tag, means parts of speech tags. Next, frame elements contains the, that means which type of role the participants are played in the situation. According to the situation, the participants plays the role called as a frame element. These two are very important in the FrameNet. Let's see the example here. Here, I am taking one theme. The theme is arrest theme, right? The arrest frame. It is called as a arrest frame. The participants and roles in this frame are some. Here I am taking the one sentence. Authorities who make arrest. Some who is arrested when arrest occurs. These are the three themes, right? When, who arrested, who is arrested, when the arrest occurs. Let's see the example. Some authorities are who make arrest. That means police, right? Then who is arrested? Some snatchers. This is the when the time. Some suppose today some 9 o'clock, right? So here grabbed is the target word. That means predicate is the here grabbed is the target word, and the authorities and the snatcher are the from some frame element. Means they two all plays a role in the situations. So next is another example. Speaker means he addresses me. I will meet you 7 PM today. Like here told is the some target word. the speaker and he, I will meet you 7 am with the some frame elements. Let's see another example. He blames the police reason for failing to provide enough protection. Here blames is the target word. Judge, he in reason for the failing to provide enough protection is the some frame element. This is the overall concept of the frame net. That means it contains the some large database frames. Let's see the applications of the frame net. So first one here, semantic role labeling. See what is the meaning of here semantic role labeling? That means it identifies the what is the role in a sentence. See the example, the police arrested the thief last night. Here what is the frame here? Arrest is the frame. The police is the authority. The thief is the some suspect. Last night is the time. This is the main concept of the frame net. Behind the frame net. Let's see the second one, question answer system. That means we are asking the question, the system will retrieve the answer. That means you have to understand the meaning behind the question to provide the accurate answers. The system will provide the accurate answers. Let's see the question, who received the parcel from Subhash? This is the question, right? So what will the answer will get? The sentence in database, some Krishna received the parcel from Subhash. This is the answer you will get from the system. Here, what is the frame here? Please, some target word is received. So recipient is some Krishna, some giver is some Subhash. This is the main idea of the, whenever we are asking the question to the machine, we will get the answer. Let's say the third one, information extraction. Here, what is the meaning of here information extraction? That means we are extracting the data from the structured data from unstructured text. Let's see the example. Some PM Modi announced a new economic package today. Here, who is the speaker here? Some PM Modi is the speaker. Here, the main frame is announcement. That means the PM Modi announced some new economic package today. Here, the frame is the announce and Modi is the some speaker. What is the message? He is passing some economic package today. New economic package today. Time is today. This is the information extraction from the system. That means database. Here see next one, machine translation. Here what is the meaning of machine translation? That means we have to translate the source language to target language. That means here in this frame net, it helps the meaning across the languages by aligning the frames and roles, not just words. That means we are assigning the frames, not only words. We are assigning the frame and role of the particular word. Let's see the example here. The teacher gave the student a book. We translate these sentences into Hindi. See the sentence here. शिक्षक ने छात्र को एक किताब दी. That means here what is the frame here? Giving is the frame. And next, who is the teacher here? Who are giving? Teacher is the giving. Who is the recipient? Here student is the recipient. Right? What is the theme? Theme is the book. This is the main idea of the machine translation. Means we have to translate here English to Hindi. Let's see the another application. So dialogue system of chatbots. Chatbots means you already well known, right? Whenever asking the question, automatically the chatbot will reply the answer. Here can you understand user intent and generate the response. That means if the user will ask the question to the chatbot, the response we will get the response. Let's see the example. Can you tell me the time of the meeting? Here, what is the frame? Some request for the information. That means we are requesting to ask the chatbot to get the information about the meeting. Who is the speaker here? The user is the, some X person is the speaker. Target means meeting time. Here not mentioned, right? Just we are asking the question to the chatbot. The chatbot will get the reply the answer, right? Next, text understanding and summarization. That means we have to understand the text and analyze the sentence, and we have to summarize the sentence by using this in FrameNet. Let's see the breakdown and depends on the frame-based summaries. Here see the example. After the food, the mayor organize relief campers and distribute the food. This is some sentence. So here what is a disaster? Here floods is the disaster. What is it? Some distribution. Food is a distribution, and organizing is the some relief campus. This is the main idea of the text summarization in FrameNet. Let's see the real-time example. The government deployed the army to assist flood victims in Kerala yesterday, right? This is some sentence we are taking, right? Here the sentence contains the FrameNet roles are the government. Here the government is a deployer. And what is here entity? The army. Army is the entity. That means place, army's name were called as the entities, right? So what is the purpose? To assist the flood victims, right? Where is the location? It is some Kerala. It is the entity, right? When time is some yesterday. This is the about the real-time example of the some sentence, and we are dividing into frames and we are allocating the roles to particular frames. Here within the content some subframe is the army assisted the flood victims with they donate the food. This is all about the applications and real-time example of the FrameNet. So in this session we discussed about what is the FrameNet, applications of FrameNet, some real-time example of the FrameNet. Thank you.